Hello and welcome to this video where wealth step by step is explained. I'm going to give you a real simple breakdown. If you don't know me, my name is Sealy Clark. I'll be your video tour guide today. If this video helps you, watch it all the way through. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this with somebody who needs it. And don't forget to mash that bell icon so you don't miss any further videos. So, a lot of people try to figure out if something like wealth step by step works by looking at results. And oddly enough, they're looking at other people's results, who's making money, how fast it's happening, what people are saying about it. But that, in my opinion, is not really the best way to look at it, because results, other people's results, don't really tell you how something functions. All that does is it just shows you what happened for someone else. And you're not someone else. And someone else is not you. What matters more, in my opinion, is what is this thing actually doing behind the scenes? Okay? Because every system's doing something different. Some things rely completely on you, your content, your skills, your ability to figure everything out behind the scenes. And if you stop, everything stops. Other systems are built a bit different. Your effort goes into something, and that something, the way it's built and set up, continues to build over time. Now that's the key difference, in my opinion, with wealth step by step. The idea really isn't for you to constantly restart, it's to get plugged into a structure where your activity actually has somewhere to go, not just once, but continuously. Now, that doesn't mean that something like wealth step by step is automatic. It doesn't mean you don't have to put in any work, but it does mean you're not just out there on your own trying to piece everything together. There's direction, there's structure, and that changes how your effort behaves and how you feel and think about the effort you're putting in. So what I mean by that is instead of everything being kind of scattered, it becomes layered or compounding. You put in the effort and it cooks for you in the background. And that's what most folks miss when they look at something like wealth step by step. They're trying to make the decision based on outcomes. And most of the times, outcomes of other people, instead of understanding the mechanism of action of what you're joining and what you do with it. Because once you understand what a program or something that you're doing or using is actually doing, then you can decide a heck of a lot faster if it's something for you rather than guessing and hoping, and instead of shiny object hopping from one thing to another. So when I look at businesses, and much like wealth step by step, I'm not asking myself, is this perfect? I'm asking, hey, does this give me a way to build so it compounds, build without constantly resetting? Now, if the answer is yes, when I look at it, then I think it's worth at least a serious look. So I hope that helped reset your mindset on looking at any business, okay? And like I said, if this video helped you understand things a little different, don't be afraid to hit like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with someone who needs it, and tap that bell icon. Make sure you mash that so you don't miss any videos coming up from me. And until we talk again, have a great day.